Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. The entertainment fraternity and the RGR Gleaner Communications Group, they're mourning the death of popular disc jockey Raymond Peart, known to fans as DJ Venom. Reports are that DJ Venom and a female student who has been identified as Abigail Rowe of the University of Technology died last night following a collision on the Spanish Town bypass in St. Catherine. They both sustained multiple injuries and were transported to the Spanish Town Hospital where they were pronounced dead. DJ Venom was employed to the RGR Gleaner Communications Group and was a DJ on Fame 95 FM. Radio broadcaster and DJ Colin Hines shared with E-Prime his final moments with DJ Venom.
We did a party together on Friday night up by Constant Spring. I was playing and he came on after me. Again on Sunday evening, afternoon going to evening. He relieved me on air in studio at Fame.
The RGR Gleaner Communications Group sends condolences to the family and friends of DJ Venom and Abigail. Dancehall artist Popcorn has teamed up with Quadadon on a new track dubbed Billion Pre-King. This new track follows their September release called Billions. That track was released on the OVO Sound label as part of the soundtrack for UK hit series Top Boy. On Monday, Popcorn shared the track with his fans on Instagram. Now, on the international scene, animated film Frozen 2 has raked in US $350 million in the opening weekend worldwide. The film has surpassed forecasts and the box office debut of the original film. According to Disney, the sequel has set a new record for the biggest opening weekend for an animated film. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.